right now we are going to head up to the highest point of this project that we have over here, the best viewing spot for the entirety of this project. Right now you can see it's kind of hard to see anything down here, surrounded by piles, and eventually right here where we're standing, we're going to be about 10 to 15 feet under dirt. So our dam is going to be pretty big. So we're here starting a pond project today in Tonganoxie, Kansas. This pond here is going to be 4 to 4.5 acres big. That kind of varies a little bit with how the excavation goes for the layout of the land. Our dam, I believe, is going to be about 600 to 700 feet long. It's going to stretch from that far hillside over there, run all the way right down there where that green tractor is, and then come right up here to about where we're standing. What we are in right now is basically the beginning phases. So what that means is we're going to put in all of our erosion control measures. So in this case, that's going to be our silt fence. You can see that's this black kind of tarp looking fencing material that lines the entire downhill side of our site. Its purpose is to make sure that none of our silt, which is basically a really fine mixture of dirt mixed with water, just a really soupy mud, make sure none of that gets onto any of the customers' neighbors' properties, and make sure that we don't damage anything downstream. We're also in the clearing phase, so before we start moving dirt on this project, obviously we've got to get all the trees out of here. You can't move dirt around trees. So that is what we're doing now. You can see there's multiple piles around here. Those will all get burned. Good trees will be harvested. All the scraggly stuff that just kind of gets in the way, takes up too much space, that'll all get burned. There's a pond way back there in the back. We're going to be clearing all the way to that pond.